Hey Piers, my name is Rebecca Bongiovanni. The site placement that I'm at is a program within my agency that works with people who have experienced sexual violence. So, one thing I do is I go with people to the hospital right after they've been assaulted to get their safe kit done. I also accompany clients to the police station and to court while they're going through the process of reporting if they choose to and pressing charges if they choose to. I spend the majority of my time facilitating individual and group sessions for people who've experienced sexual violence. This includes people who have experienced a recent trauma, people who are adults now who are processing childhood sexual assault, and people who have experienced incest. Something I really enjoy about my field placement is my relationship with my supervisor. She is brilliant and she gives me so many opportunities to get the experiences that I want and experiences that we think I need. I'm able to shadow her sessions with clients. I've been able to accompany her to different schools and different places where she facilitates group. Um, and I'm always able to run things by her to make sure that I'm on the right track or to get her ideas with my clients. So I really appreciate that relationship because if I didn't have it, I think my field experience would be much more stressful. A challenge that I am facing currently is with end of services because of the nature of what we are working through in trauma therapy. Many clients choose to discontinue services because they're not ready to go certain places yet, emotionally or therapeutically. And other clients will just stop coming to sessions and responding to calls and text messages. Um, and again, I think it's because we are dealing with some heavy stuff that not everybody can handle at any point in their life. But as much as I try to keep the professional and the personal separate, I still do worry about them. So processing those end of services and the endings of relationships has been a challenge for me recently. I've learned a lot about myself during this process so far. Most significantly, I think I've learned about my ability to think on my feet. Um, you have personal experiences, and we've learned a lot in our classes, but when you're in a session with a client, we can't um, sit there and ruminate or talk out loud or Google something or flip through our notes or textbooks. It's very much acting on your feet, and it made me nervous in the beginning that I would get stuck. But um, over time, I've definitely seen that I am very skilled in thinking on my feet and recalling information and still letting the client lead the session. So I look forward to sharing more about my experiences with you, and I look forward to learning about yours as well. Thank you.